Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals last minute. First, immediately identify your most challenging subjects and topics. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and study guides. Next, create a highly focused study schedule for the remaining hours, allocating specific time blocks for each subject. Break down large study tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This structured approach will help you maximize your limited time effectively. Now, let's prioritize. Review past quizzes, homework, and exams to identify recurring themes and question types. Focus intensely on concepts your instructor emphasized in class, as these are often high-yield topics. Allocate about 70% of your study time to these critical areas. For less critical material, quickly skim for a general understanding rather than deep memorization. This strategic focus ensures you cover the most important content. For effective last-minute learning, engage in active recall. Quiz yourself on key terms and concepts without looking at your notes. Practice with any available sample questions or old exam papers to simulate the test environment. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud to yourself or a friend. This solidifies your understanding. Finally, summarize main ideas in your own words without referring to your materials. These methods boost retention significantly. On exam day, your mindset is crucial. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep the night before to ensure mental clarity. Eat a nutritious meal to fuel your brain, avoiding heavy or sugary foods. Arrive at the exam location about 15 minutes early to settle in and avoid rushing. Before starting, take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves and focus your mind. You've prepared, now trust yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.